So day 7 after restarting my garden, after planting almost everything, and I'm so excited. But before I talk about the vegetables, the biggest news of this week was that I was able to replace the water pump in my borehole. So now I do have water. It's been raining heavily and I thank God for that. But in case the rain decides to dip, I have water now, so I can take this project to completion like I planned when I started out in August. So talking about the vegetables, everything is growing nicely. The rep, the cabbage, the cucumber. One thing about the cucumber is that even when you nip off a leaf and smell it, it actually tastes just like cucumber. I love it so much. I love cucumber. And here, the only two things that are not showing any signs of life, or maybe it's just me who's being impatient, it is the onion as well as the carrot. I planted those right behind me on the wall there, and so they haven't really shown any signs of germination. But it's only been 7 days, so I should really give it time. But so far I planted it like a bit more rep, because the rep that is behind me, I don't know whether you can see that is behind me, that we've been eating almost every day, is almost finished. So we will need to like replenish that. And the cabbage that I did plant again is doing well, but my son sprayed the seeds all over the place, and so I may need to transplant them when they are ready and put them in plastic bowls. So I have quite a bit of the plastic bowls here, but I'll need to buy a bit more because there's quite a lot of cabbage that is germinating. But so far so good. Everything else that has been growing, like the potatoes, I'm excited about them because it's the first time that I'm growing potatoes, and also right now they are flowering, and the ground where they're planted is actually cracking, showing that the tubers are actually growing underneath the soil. Exciting times. Talking about potatoes, one thing that I'm doing also, when I went to the village, I planted some more potatoes just around mom's place, because I want to do this on a commercial level at some point this year. So right now I'm just kind of like doing a pilot project to see how the potatoes do with the fertilizer and also with the rain that we have right now here. So quite exciting times ahead. This is what is going on in my garden right now. Exciting times ahead. I'm going to be making these weekly videos to show you guys how far this vegetable garden does, especially now that I have my own water back. I really can't wait to make sure that these vegetables get enough water, and I also probably need to buy some pesticide and also spray the rep, because I can see that the aphids have been attacking it, and the leaves have so many holes, and that's not good for them. So yep, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.